the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion used to be more common.
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I'm thinking you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them. Wait, you cross Pedro. He's cut you off.
Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy's fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Toss me off the 18K, man.
You show your true colors tonight, bro.
Oh, God. I'm sorry, please. No.
You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemy.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
You were my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Your friend Jack.
Tender and flaky, always good. You like?
Sounds good.
Thank you. Enjoy. Nice supple fish. Very firm.
Okay, I'll take it.
Please come again.
Stupid fucking horse.
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Oh shit, that's me. You're supposed to be here. Hop guy. Come on, let's go.捉住佢！What's the knife？懟冧佢！師兄，我哋手上啊！
佢哋實縮㗎，睇住！話俾佢知用邊個話事！兄弟，幫我打爆佢！
你有冇想住走？打佢翻住走啊！哇！你贏唔到我㗎啦，廢柴！打咪打啦！你以為我淆底啊？喐手啦！有根啊！開口嘅，要趕住開手。驚乜嘢啊？壓力搶啊你！喐手啦！有根啊！過衝啦！
สำหรับคนที่เข้ามาดูก็ฝากกดติดตาม กดไลค์ กด Subscribe เพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้กันด้วยนะครับ ขอบคุณครับ
你冇機會啊！你想收我皮？仆街啊！天接唔到！Please, don't! Mommy, save me, mommy! 你冇機會！$10,000 to whoever kills this fuck！ 佢喺度啊！你想殺我啊？嚇 ！Don't be stupid！
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stands with Big Smile Lee.
同我打！我嘔不到嘢！有嘢！打老母！打！
同我收！咁樣我唔撚順眼啊！
我要還施家族！
佢哋殺足㗎，睇住俾啲資料俾我話事。
開啦！點啊？喐咩？
兄弟，幫我打你喎！隻手指爆你啊！
我呢鋪食撚
話俾佢知呢度邊個話事。
今次
瞄準啊！
好啊！打柒你咯！
等我話你知咩叫眼前一黑啊！
打佢個位！打到佢殘廢！個禮拜就係等呢一嘢啊！揾你老婆收線啦！今日開啦！今次 high 啦！放過嚟而家。睇撚見你個撚樣，我唔撚順眼啊！嗰邊啊！中柒佢個撚樣！打咪打！喂，你而家要即刻走！點啊！你老母啊！
Chance. I'm gonna kill you.
Surprise!
Shit. Time to die, Lee.
Fuck you! 頂你個肺啊！You're fucked, Wayne! 燒你老母！
You pussy!
You're done!
Piece of fucking shit. Fuck! How does it feel, pig? To know that your boss sold you out? And you fucked your way almost as bad as you fucked Jackie. You were supposed to die with Winston. Dog Eyes blew that. And that poke guy Tong, fucking worthless 撚樣. But that's okay. Because I am gonna enjoy killing you myself.
Fuck you.
開拖啊！
You want more? Is that all you got? Come on! Fuck you! Raymond.
Hey, easy there, Wei. This man is in my custody.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yeah. Where's Pendrew?
He's up for promotion. Interpol. He's done with us.
He's dirty, Raymond. He outed me to Big Smile Lee.
Take it from me, Wei. Whatever you heard, it won't matter. The only voice they hear is Pendrew's. You did what you came here to do, all right? Let's get you cleaned up.
Jay? What the fuck? Uncle Po? Pendrew? What the hell?
Superintendent Pendrew, I'm surprised to see you. You're the one who chased my boys away?
Poe, you know why I'm here. I can imagine all sorts of reasons. I'm sure you will tell me.
I'm moving on to greener pastures, but not without taking care of some unfinished business with you and Sonny first.
We had a deal, did we not, Pendrew? I gave you the 3 Tigers. It made your career.
And I let you and Sonny continue operating.
A sacrifice you were willing to make.
At the time. I'm putting Sonny away, and with you gone, I'll finish this once and for all.
The only difference between you and me is... I know what I am.
Jesus Christ. Pendrew, I've got you, you son of a bitch.
What would you like me to say? Whatever I did, I made Hong Kong a better place. I served the greater good. But you let them get to you. You abandoned your duty, officer, and became one of them. You deserve to be handed over to Big Smile Lee.
Did I? Well, Pendrew, I guess everyone gets what he deserves. Including you. You ready for life in prison?
What?
Because all your old buddies are gonna be waiting for you. I made sure they found out what you did to Uncle Po.
That's a fucking death sentence.
I know.
Where you can't. I won't last a day in there.
That's the plan. Inspector,
Officer?
I just wanted to say thanks.
For what? It's me who should
For
be...
helping me close cases. Do something I could feel good about. Hell, for helping me stay sane.
My pleasure. So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Job's over, but I don't really have anywhere else to go. Strange to say it after all that's happened, but Hong Kong kind of feels like home.
Yeah. But which Hong Kong, officer?
And what about Wei Shen?
He proved himself to be loyal to me, one way or the other. And isn't that what really matters? Leave him be.
Yes, Aunt Jane. Drive.